Hey guys, this is Unstoppable Trade. So this is my first analysis for this YouTube video. So I am currently eyeing to buy REITs, CREITs, and RCR. So I'll explain it guys why. So basically for RCR, um, I'm looking to have a bounce here in this area. So what I am looking here is an engulfing candle or a close above this level siguro. Sorry, to close above this level itong last lower high natin para mag-shift siya into bullish. So yan yung ano ko for RCR. Then I'll buy RCR since we already know that RCR is actually bullish when it comes to its structure. Yan, bullish. And then yung invalidation ko is kapag mag-close siya below this level, then I'll exit my position if ever. So for now, I am buying RCR. Next that I am going to buy is Crate. So see Crate, I don't know how to pronounce it. So Crate is, for me it's still bullish. Still bullish guys, sorry inuubo ako. Yung structure niya is bullish still. Yan, bullish. Daily. May ano na tayo dito. Break of structure. So basically, potentially this is a retest and this is already a buy signal guys. Going up. So create is buy already. REIT. So I'm looking for this one na bumaba dito sa 36.55 before buying, or at least mag-change structure siya sa daily. Ganyan siya. Mag-change structure then going down then up. So yan yung hinahanap ko guys. So for now wala pa naman. Wala pang buy signal si REIT Secret, meron na. CRCR wala pa. Ito I'm going to buy this one. Then this one GMA7. GMA7 stocks. We're 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 here at the support already. Almost a support. So I'm just looking for reversal here. Reversal here to buy. So for me, yung reversal ko is yung weekly is or daily. Mag-shift into bullish siguro here. Dito. Dito sa area na ito. And then I'll buy or even here in this area. So yan yung hinahanap ko guys. And then may position na din ako sa Security Bank and LTG. Ito. So yeah. And JFC guys, this one looks like this one is also a buy. Mukhang mag-bounce siya dito. Meg 2. So for me, since naka-downtrend to si Meg, we shifted bullish here nasa weekly, even sa higher time frame. So what I am looking is mag-close above here sa weekly. Dito. And then I'll buy. So, iyon yung hinahanap ko. 4 meg. Alert tayo dito. So, yan guys yung PSE stocks na bibilhin ko. So, that's all.